For years, the debate between AI and jobs has been trapped between two extremes. The first one is that it's going to gain the extremely good profit for the companies, and the second that AI is going to take all the jobs. But this whole time we were missing the most important point. What do we, as people who are doing the job, actually want? We saw what happened on the Hollywood strike when they wanted to replace the screenwriters. An attempt to replace screenwriters led to the months of protests. But it's not only about that exact field. It will happen also in law, medicine, design, or any field where human skills are undervalued. But now, a groundbreaking study from the Stanford researchers has given us a concrete framework to navigate this change. They created a matrix of future that moves beyond abstract fear and that it gives us exactly the point where we stand. It's a practical guide to your career in AI field. Let's break down and see how you can use it for yourself. The researchers began by analyzing 844 computer tasks between 104 professions. To measure automated potential, they created the human agency scale. It's a simple from 1 to 5 rating. If it's 5, then it means the human is essential, and if it's 1, it means that AI can do everything on its own. Then that it's something brilliant. They surveyed more than 1,500 employees and they asked which task they would want to be automated. Then they compared the ratings from 52 AI experts on what they can really do and what they can really automate at this very moment. This created a unique database that maps human desire against technological capability. The result is the matrix of desires and opportunities. It gives us 4 sectors where it says basically what AI can really do and what people want AI to do. So the first one is going to be the green zone. This is where the desire is very high from people who want AI to work, and there is a high AI capability. These are the tasks you should upload immediately. This is like to schedule the meetings, analyzing ad data, or to remove someone from the background of the picture. So the second one is the yellow zone, the zone of hope. This is where there's a lot of desire from people, but actually low AI capability. People would love to have the help from AI in these zones, but actually AI is still not there. For example, in the ideas like brainstorming a new marketing strategy or designing a novel scientific experiment. So the zone number 3 is the red zone. It's actually a zone where there is a very low desire from people, but really high AI capability. So this is where the conflict is. Basically, AI really can do these things already, but we don't want to let them do it. For example, in like writing slogans, writing articles, writing some creativity, to put some creativity in your agency, company, whatever there is. If your core tasks are in this zone, you're in direct competition with AI. So now we have the 4th zone. It's basically where there is a low desire and also low AI capability because it requires human skills. Like, for example, for negotiation, or it requires empathy, or to do a mentorship where it requires not only the skills to teach a person how exactly you can do the same work, but also to have the ability to explain in a way that person will get it, which is very, very important nowadays. This framework is extremely powerful, and if you're looking for a place where you can also find how to automate all of these tasks we just talked about, I created a Skool community where we have everything about AI. There we are sharing information about the AI agents, workflows, templates, automation, anything that you can implement inside of your personal either business, either life. The link is going to be in the description, and there you can learn everything how to use AI practically, not only in theory. Now, let's see this matrix in action. So, let's take a marketer. So his first zone is actually generating reports or analysis. And his red zone is creativity, to write creative articles or to do the strategy for the brands. So what they need to do, they need to put themselves to the 4th zone, so AI cannot touch them. So, for example, they need to pitch their ideas to the clients with charisma and with confidence. So, AI cannot do it. AI cannot pitch the ideas. AI cannot give the energy. AI cannot give the vibe, the atmosphere. So you need to be this person, so your place is not going to be taken. For example, for a teacher, the first zone is like to create the schedule, to put the marks, to grade the tests, But their red zone is actually to deliver inspiring lectures, because like you cannot always put AI avatar to just give the normal lecture that will provide the information that also you as a teacher, you're giving to your students, but to inspire them, to talk with them like soul to soul, to give the information in the way that they will understand, because you already know them as people and you know how exactly to deliver this information. This is a totally different experience, and this is your main reason that you will not be replaced by AI avatar. So what skills you should focus on in the future? The research shows as a trend that AI can really do good the manual stuff, the routine analytical work, but the soft skills, they are skyrocket for humans. The abilities to keep you all the time not replaceable by the AI is actually communication and empathy, either leadership and team coordination, creativity, adaptivity, flexibility, and inspiration. These are the main skills which AI cannot replace because it's our nature. It's like, it's in us, it's inside. You cannot replace it because this is very individual things. Being a narrow specialist is a very, very risky thing. Either you're not one of the best in the world. The future belongs to those who can blend their technical abilities with their human, unique skills. So here's your action plan. You just put your job and understand in which of these 4 zones you are, and then understand which personal soft skills you need to grow to be never replaced by AI. And then you can really thrive in this age of artificial intelligence. Let me know in the comments where your job goes between these 4 zones. And if you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe to the Agni AI channel and join our Skool community. We will be very, very much waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.